And boom! Let's create realistic fur. I'll show you how to apply this effect to text. Don't worry, it's eco-friendly fur, no animals harmed. Once we have our text, we pre-compose it. Name it whatever you like. Now we'll add hair to this layer, go to Effects and Presets and apply CC Hair. You can already see some hair growing, kind of like a baby's first hair. Let's tweak a few settings. Set length to 5, we want short hair. Thickness can stay as it is. Slightly decrease weight. Increase density, even up to 1700. In the Hairfall Map section, set Map Strength to 150, increase Map Softness significantly, set Add Noise to 20. Now we've got a furry text, a great first step. In hair color, we could set a color, but we'll add a texture later. Now, let's move on to the animation before adding the texture. To do this, create a solid. Name it however you like. Apply the Fractal Noise effect to this layer. Type Dynamic Twist. Contrast 150. Brightness around -10. Now the most important part, animating the background. Add an expression to evolution, time times 100. This makes the evolution value change over time, creating a smooth, continuous animation. Done. Turn off the visibility of this layer. Don't worry, we'll still use it. Select your text layer and in Hairfall Map, choose the Fractal Noise layer as the map. Set it to Effect and Mask, and that's it. Our fur already looks great. Really nice effect. Now, I've prepared a fur texture. We need to add it to the text composition. Drag it onto the timeline. It will be too large at first. Now click the Track Matte, Alpha Matte icon, so the texture is only visible on the text. Looks a bit flat, right? Select the text layer and in Hair Color, set Opacity to 100%, Color Inheritance to 100%. And there we go. Clean, eco-friendly fur animation. Check out my Patreon, link in the description.